think, you know what? Let's set it up right here. Alright guys, so today I got this cooking set. So it comes with the stove, which is this, right? Comes with stove and pot, so we're gonna try it out today. So let's open it up and see what it looks like inside. So I took this out initially in the beginning so that I can know what I need, what type of gas to buy. So end up getting this from Canadian Tire. Oh yeah, by Woods. Yep. The first thing first, I'm gonna just open up this little stove. So this little stove is pretty neat. What you guys can see here is it fits in a little soap size container, and you just twirl it around just like so. It comes with a lighter switch already, so all you do is you pop it out, get your gas tank, right? Make sure you get the appropriate gas tank so that you're on the right stuff. So all you do is you screw this bottle in all the way. And all of this right now, I'm doing all of this on a rock, so it's pretty cool. I never did this before. It's pretty risky too. So we'll be cooking up some rice and sunfish. So we got this container here. It comes with a nice little bag. Comes with a cup size container that flips out into a handle. So all of them have this nice handle that you can cook on. Oh yeah, I'm just gonna have to figure out the balance so that my pot don't tip. Right around there, isn't it? Yeah, that'd be good. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I will be, so I'll be putting the rice on, and then I will basically do up the rest. Let's show you guys what else it comes with. So in this box, this container comes with a cleaning scrub. This is organic, so it's a piece of tree. It's a, I guess it's some sort of a tree that grows into a fruit, and then this bears this, and then they cut it up, and it comes with a piece of this for you to scrub the pot when you're done for cleaning up. So it comes with a stand. This stand holds your gas tank. Comes with a spoon. So this is a foldable spoon, right? So it's like a semi-forks kind of spoon setup here. So pretty neat. Oh yeah, we'll need this for sure. Got a nice cup here that folds into gas handles. Oh yeah, I like the foldable stuff, and it's stainless steel. Alright, let's open up this bad boy and see. Get us a strong hold for our gas tank here. So what you do is, you see it has a cleat, so you put in that, you pop that in right like that. So the cleat kind of holds that bottle in place. Yep, so the bigger the bottle, you take the further side, and now you have 4 legs, so that As you guys see, I'm crazy enough to cook on a piece of rock, just a rock in the middle of the river here. So, yep, that goes right there. Let's see now. So this here we have a lever, as you guys can see here. So we have a lever right here. That's for the gas. So what I gotta do is put it on. That's it. Got fire. You guys may not be able to see the fire, but he's on there. What I'll be doing is got my water. So these are my ingredients here. So I got my rice, I'll be doing some rice. Showing you guys my rice. So I got my rice here. Oh yeah, let's pour that bad boy right in here. So that we can average out. Alright, so we're gonna time our rice. We're gonna let this bad boy cook. And just like we might right there in the water. Alright, so while we leave that to go, what we're gonna do is we're gonna set up now for our fish. Got a wooden stir stick. Now, have our rice cooked. So I'm gonna need to check the time. Okay, so 47. Let's clean up our fish that we have here. We're gonna clean up these fish and we're gonna try to be fine. First I'm gonna scale it. Because it's a very small fish, it's not gonna have much fillet, but we're gonna take what we got and we're gonna scavenge as much meat off of this. This is what we call survival, guys. Alright guys, so I got this chair as a gift and it comes with a plate and a fork, spoon, knife and a napkin. So I'll be using that with my catch and cook today. So my rice is going Let's take a look at our rice. Oh yeah, it's almost done. So our rice is going, we got our eggs, and also the main event, we got our fish here battered up with some fish crisp. Oh yeah, our seasoning, and also got my drinks in there I'll be setting up later on, but right now I'm gonna finish up this rice. We're gonna put it in the plate, and yeah, next up is frying that egg and then frying the fish, and then time to eat. This is my setup, just to show you guys that it's a rock middle of the river. Yep. That's it. This is what I love about this setup is so this mini kit is pretty handy and pretty useful, and this is why I like it, is because you can literally set up and cook anywhere whilst you're at the river fishing. For example, for me, whilst I'm fishing, you catch some fish. I mean, you're like far down, right? Could be a survival trip, could be any trip, could be a day trip, and yeah, you just unpack your stuff, get just multi-use stuff. So this is a nice handy cooking set that I got here. And let's take a look at our rice. Oh yeah, looking good already. Got one more fish. Alright, got some fillet fish there. That was our water in there. Let's check the rice first. You guys can see here. So the rice. We're almost there. Mix it up so it doesn't catch. What I'll do is, it needs a little bit more water. Just need to soften a bit more. As our rice cooked, we will be doing some seasoning on our fish. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna wash the fish with some lime. So got some lime here, and get some of the lime. Just pour a little bit in there. Shimmy, 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 shimmy. Shimmy it up. Oops. Here goes our spoon. Lost our spoon. It's all good. Drain out the juice. Now what we're gonna do is keep an eye on this bad boy. We'll take our seasoning. So what seasoning am I using on this fish today? We have lemon pepper seasoning. Oh yeah, this is one of the best for fish, especially we're doing fried fish today. And we got that original fish crisp. Yep, you guys know this one. I hope you do, because this is the bad stuff. It's real good stuff. I'm gonna pour some in this bag. That's gonna be my batter. Take some of this. Chuck some of that in there too. That should be fine. Then what I do is mix it all up. Yeah. Mix up our seasoning with that. Oh, our rice almost done. Some more water. Not so easy cooking at this little spot here, you know, right on the rock, but today we're challenging ourselves, so prep the next step, which will be an egg. I'm gonna do up an egg as well. It's gonna be a big meal because I'm hungry. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna crack this egg and we're gonna put our egg inside. Just gonna put some salt. This is the magic trick. Then I'm going to take some onion powder, some of that, garlic powder, some of that, some pepper powder. Ooh, I can smell it. Smelling good. Got my oil here. Oh yeah, gotta always walk with your oil, bro. Mixy, mixy, mixy. And do a nice mix. Alright guys, our rice is done cooked. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some out and we're gonna put it in our plate. So what I do, I just do one of these, boom, that's it, and you have a plate of rice. Alright guys, got my oil, put our oil to go in there. Look at our eggs. Eggs are all done. Pour a lot of oil in here. A lot of oil. That's all my oil. good for a day trip. Alright guys, we got our fish. This fish is gonna finish literally in seconds, so not gonna take long. I don't really want to burn it too. Kind of burning up quick because the oil is hot. And it's kind of thin, you know. Pump it in and look at that, guys. How we fry it. Got our food. Oh yeah. We got our pepper. This is Guyanese pepper. Oh yeah, hot. Real hot. Get our lime. Now we gotta get our drink. Got a banana that I'll be eating later. First thing is got my floss here. Oh yeah, look at that ice. It's about 30 degrees today, so it's pretty hot. Got my iced tea. Oh yeah. That's pretty cool and nice. Let's get some of that lime. Yeah, buddy. Hot pepper. See that? Nice and red. Straight out. Come on. Alright, let's taste this fish. Oh yeah. Let's go. Get the rice. From the egg. Boy. This is like a restaurant. Let's go. Put some of that pepper in there. Ooh. Many of you guys out there don't eat pepper, but really good, man. Depending on what kind of pepper you get. I love the Guyanese pepper, man. Tastes like home. Alright guys, so it's a wrap for today. Got my food. I'm on a rock in the middle of the river. Oh yeah, look at that. Got my waders on, staying waterproof. Yeah. We got my bag on the tree there. We got some ops up there. Check it out. This guy's keeping an eye on me wherever I go. Nah, I'm just kidding still. But wonderful day today. Look at that. Sun is about to set. I'm about to head back. I just threw my bag up in there because I don't have any other place to put it. Look at that view, man. Oh yeah. So I hope you guys love this video. So if you love this video, hope you like, share, and subscribe.